and thanks again for tuning into another video with Amy Nicole DIY. So today's video is not going to be a tutorial, it is going to be a video on the unboxing of my new Cricut Maker. I've explained all about the Cricut Maker in one of my previous videos. I will put my thumbnail right here. And I actually had no choice in buying this because my Cricut Explore Air 2 kind of died on me. So I wanted to just show you guys the unboxing of this because I haven't opened it yet. I'm hoping that this Cricut works for me. Okay guys, so this is it. I haven't even opened yet. I'm blocking out my address, but I did get it from Michael's. Oh my god. Complete. Okay, so I got it out of the box. This is what the box says. It just shows you the different blades that are in the box. The fine point is what we usually use for the Cricut Explore Air 2. So we have this, it says materials for your first project. Let's open this up. Cute! Comes with cardstock and then a piece of fabric. And then this is also another piece of cardstock, which is great. We will put these on the side. Open me first. So we'll plug in first, get connected, and I'll walk through the setup, make a little something. Oh, we'll do the practice project with the materials that I just got, and then I bookmark this page. You'll find every resource you need. So this is the welcome book, and this obviously has like all the instruction manuals, what you'll need to set everything up. It shows the clamps, the different tool holders, the power button. This is how to open up Design Space, but I kind of know how to do all this stuff, but I definitely want to read a bit more as to what projects I can make. So let's skip to here. So projects, we can make 3D projects, we can make sewing patterns, we can make cards, we can make home decor of course, printables, iron-ons. This blade, this is the rotary blade. So this will cut cotton, fleece, poly blends, denim, felt, canvas, and more. I think this is, oh, there's more in here. This is the fine tip pen with the USB cord. This is the Cricut rotary blade cap. And this is the warranty info, which we will definitely need. Final reveal, I'm going to remove these. So place machine 10 inches away. So we have to connect to the USB. So let's get the USB open. Okay, and since I have a MacBook, one of the newer MacBooks, I have to use my USB-C port. So I'm going to plug this in to the computer. it's on, connect power. Let's go back. Oh. Now it shows that it's in, so we're gonna hit continue. Let's make sure you got the latest and greatest features. Awesome. Update. My machine is up to date. We're gonna hit continue. This is my email. I do not do Cricut Access. Let's do a test cut. I really like the sunflower, so let's try that. Place small cardstock on the top left corner of the mat. Alright, so it says testing complete, so we're gonna hit next. Hit the unload button and look at how beautiful. You can't really see the light, I'm sorry. So now, and I actually forgot to mention that one of the bigger things about this is that there's no knob. Let's go into this one right here. I'm going to hide everything that I'm not doing. This is an HTV project, so we are going to click save just to save it. We're going to click make it. Now, so we're going to do mirror. We're going to move it here and hit continue. So it is already set up to the USB. So now it says set material. So what we can do is we can browse all materials and we can do iron on. I'm assuming. Oh, this is everyday iron on. This is what we need. So it says compatible right now, I think, with this blade. Fabric. And that's endless. Foam, iron on. So now this is where you get into all of your everyday iron on. And what's nice about this is that you can favorite everything. So if you know that you always use foil iron, you can favorite this and it'll add to your favorites so that way you don't have to search it every time. So this is heat transfer, which is non-Cricut, which I don't use Cricut vinyl. So let's favorite that. Let's favorite everyday iron on and let's try that. We'll click done. Okay, make sure mirror is on. Shiny side is down, so let's get the vinyl really quick. I just want to make sure it's going to be to 8 inches. So this is here. Oh, okay. Everyday iron on, pressure default. Let's just try that, okay? So let's go into here. We'll click go. I'll say that this thing is very fast. Like that happened probably in under 1 minute. And usually the Cricut Explore Air 2, usually it lasts a little bit longer. And what I like about this, when you put the mat in here, it's tighter. So there's really no room for it to wiggle. All right, and let's see. And this looks great. I mean, I can definitely weed this, but this doesn't look like it cut through too much. It looks actually perfect. So I will go ahead and weed this and then I can heat press this into my shirts. Yeah, that is really it for today's video. I just wanted to go through that process of unboxing everything. This is the Cricut Maker. I think it's awesome and it definitely is worth the investment. There's a ton of projects that you can use with this and I am really excited to show you some new projects coming your way and new tutorials. So thank you for watching and I will end this video with my professional outro. And that is it for today's video of the unboxing of my new Cricut Maker. I am obsessed with this tool and I am just so stoked to finally have it and kind of upgrade myself. Kind of sucked that my Cricut Explore Air 2 is not working right now, but everything happens for a reason. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I have this channel because I generally want to educate you guys and just teach you guys on
on how to use the Cricut and all of the tools that it has. I will see everyone in the next video. Bye!